Alright, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And I want to say thank you to all those who took the time out to watch my video and also drop something in the comment section. I love the engagement that you guys gave me in the comment section and we can talk. The good thing about it is that we keep it respectable and we keep it honest. That is a big thing. Now we can also have different and diverse opinions, but as I said, we keep it on a respectable manner. But so, Andre Gray people, Andre Gray has finally made it to the Premier League. Another reggae boy has now made his entrance into the Premier League. There's also two pending, which is Liam Moore and Jamal Lowe. Jamal Lowe and Liam Moore will be facing against each other tomorrow to know their destination. But I do think that Jamal Lowe and Liam Moore might be strong potential to go into the playoffs. Also with the likes of Brentford, which we have Ivan Toney and Ethan Pinnock in those in that same position as well, going to fight in the playoffs. So at this point in time, we know that this is going to be a very difficult one. But the good thing about that, we have a few, quite a number of reggae boys who are fighting to come into the Premier League, and that tells a lot. It means that we are now having the quality players to get the job done. Now let's go over back to Andre Gray. So he has played a total of 27 games, 12 starts, and completed 41 minutes each game. Yes, that is significantly low, but in that small time period, he has been featured in the team of the week once, also scoring 4 goals and have 1 assist. He has contributed massively to the upliftment of the team and bringing the team forward. He played as one of those impact strikers coming off the bench and come to deliver. He has contributed significantly to the Watford team, and you know there's supposed to be a massive celebration going on possibly right now because they are really happy for what they did. But this is significant in the landmark for the Reggae Boys, and as I said before, we have a few more Reggae Boys fighting to go into the Premier League, and that tells how far our squad and the quality of the squad that we're building right now. And potentially coming to this World Cup qualifiers, we could potentially have a squad full of Premier League players. Can you imagine when last have we seen something like that? A squad having over 9 or 7 or 9 Premier League players. That is significant. I do believe that is significant. At this point in time, Watford only have 2 more games to play, which is Swansea, that is Jamal Lowe, and also Brentford, which is Ethan Pinnock. So there's so much confliction right now because it is possible that these Jamaicans can stop the other from going into the Premier League. But bear the fact that Watford is already through, I think this is a good opportunity for these guys to just do some consolidation and let all the Jamaican players into the Premier League. And that would be good. We will have Ivan Toney, Ethan Pinnock, Andre Gray, Jamal Lowe. That's a lot. That is a lot. Then now we have to consider the others that are already in the Premier League and others that are already playing on a higher level in the Europe, such as Leon Bailey, Bobby Reid. So there's a lot. But people, this is very good news. I believe it's good news, and I think that it is a stepping stone for us. And definitely when we see, when other players see that can play for the Reggae Boyz, see all these Premier League players playing for the Reggae Boyz, that is going to show the quality teams, the quality team that we are building right now. And I do think that we can do this and we can get this job done. But as for now, it's a significant step for us, and this has been a good one. Thank you very much, people. Thank you for watching. Thank you, as I said before, thank you for the time that you take to watch this video. Please drop something in the comments if you think that this would be a good move, and please tell me which other Reggae Boy you think will make it. Ivan Toney, Ethan Pinnock, Jamal Lowe, even West Harden. Tell me, guys, which one of these guys you think have a potential to make it into the Premier League, and do you think that they can shine? Because I'm hearing good news about Jamal Lowe so far, that big clubs will be looking at him, and so I'll give you more on that. But definitely, people, thank you very much for tuning in, and drop it in your comments, as I said. Tell me what you think. Military Guna TV, I am out.